to Health and Safety Awareness Level 3. This course will teach you the skills needed to keep yourself and others safe at home and in the workplace. In this course, you'll learn how to prevent risks, protect yourself from hazards, and deal with safety issues confidently. You'll also learn about Irish health and safety laws. By the end of the course, you'll know how to recognise dangers, handle accidents, and follow good safety practices every day. The course has simple lessons with helpful information and fun activities. To complete the course, you'll need to earn 10 skills badges, pass the END test, and complete the portfolio, which includes 3 assignments. If you would like to do this course or any other, click on the purple Register Now button next to the course you have selected. You can then choose to either log into your existing account or register to create a new account. If you have any questions or need support, just call us for free at 1800 20 20 80.